Hello everyone, my name is Deshmukh. My student code is PDS 25 underscore 09036. Currently, I am in module 2 field. So, today I am here to present our project, and this project is a collaborative work between the three members, uh, which includes me, Deepak Kumar, and Ayush Kumar. So, in this project, we focused on a few of the steps like web scraping, EDA, Exploratory Data Analysis, data visualization, and the SQL analysis using SQL query. So let me share my screen first so that I can explain step by step what we did in the project. So hope my screen is visible to you all. Let's start my project. So yeah. For here, you can see that our project name is cost analysis. So basically, we got one website link from where we have to scrap the code, who's the author of the code, and what are the text used for the code. So let's start. So first of all, I want to introduce my team members. As I said, it is a collaborative work between my team. So we did the very hard work in these 5 days so that we can complete this project. So team members are Deepak Kumar and Ayush Kumar, and I am the team lead for this project. So first of all, we perform the data collection. We can also call web scraping. So for that, I just gone through the data website, and after that, inspect the all the HTML text which we can use for the scraping. Or I opened my Python IDE and then started coding. So here are some glimpses, some screenshots of the code. So here you can clearly see what are the steps I followed to scrape the data, like what are the libraries or required libraries which I imported, like request, BeautifulSoup, Pandas, and after that the operations which I performed, like HTML phrases and URL, getting the request, giving the request, and after that, getting all the text for each port like that. And after at the end, after getting all fetching all the data and fetching all, I saved the file in as a name cleandata.csv. In the bottom also you can see that yeah, all the data pages are kept because there are 10 numbers of pages. So this is the part which I did, web scraping, and the SQL analysis part is handled by Deepak Kumar, and the other part like EDA and the data visualization, that part is handled by Ayush Kumar. Anyways, I'm going to explain what we did in this project in the EDA part. So in EDA, we perform data cleaning and data visualization and conversion. So in the data cleaning part, we found that we searched for the duplicate missing values and all. So we found that there are three missing values. We replaced it with the NA and then perform the further steps. So here you can see that we performed data visualization in which we found that the top 10 most quotes authors, what are the most common text used in the quote, and what are the most common words used in the text. We can clearly see in this visualization that Albert Einstein is the person who gave the most of the quotes, and number is 10. And after that, love is the most common tag, and also you is the most common words used in the post. So here are some of the data insights which we got from the EDA and the data visualization operation part. Like Albert Einstein is the most quotes author. He gave most quotes, like number is 10, and the top 10 most quotes author are Albert Einstein and other persons. The names are mentioned here. What are the means there are 50 unique authors are there in the data. Like that, all those things are mentioned in this slide. And after that, we we went to the SQL operation part in which we import all the data into the SQL workspace and performed all the SQL queries so that we can get resolve these the problem statements, like how many total codes and who are the how many unique authors are there, what are the most codes, has most codes, and which codes contain the word like all these problem statements are addressed and solved by the SQL query. So here are some examples of SQL queries, like which author has the most quotes, and this query I used and we used, and then we found that yeah, Albert Einstein is the person who gave the most of the query, most of the quotes. And the second example, you can see that what are the top 10 most frequently appearing tags. For that, we use this SQL query and found that yeah, love is the most frequently appearing tag. And then here are the conclusions which we found after performing all the SQL queries. Here I can show you that SQL queries which we wrote. So here you can clearly see that we addressed all the problems and also solve all the problems, and also mentioned the final conclusions like 100 codes that are present in the data set, and there are 50 unique authors are present in the data set. So whatever we found in the EDA, we also cross-checked through this analysis so that we can reconfirm, yeah, we got that good insight, right insights from the data. So yeah, this is the very pretty simple and the good project for our practice of EDA skills, SQL skills, and the web scraping. It demonstrates our skills. Yeah, it was a collaborative project. So I would like to thank all my teammates who helped me to complete this project. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much.